Welcome back to the workshop. Tonight, we begin the most ambitious project yet, transforming this Bugatti Chiron into something truly unique. To construct a hypercar like the Bugatti Chiron, you need the finest materials. We start with high tensile steel and this incredible woven carbon fiber. The carbon fiber weave needs to be precise here. We're integrating the new cooling system directly into the frame. The sheer complexity of the Chiron's engine is breathtaking. Every component, from the crankshaft to these massive turbos. The key here is precision. We're lowering the piston into the cylinder sleeve, ensuring the rings are perfectly aligned before we tighten the connecting rod bolt. As you can see, the unique W configuration allows for incredible power density. We're installing the final turbochargers now, preparing this beast for the road.
The Shizuoka Kidon was the sheer density in harness here is astonishing. Every single wire connecting the sensors.
Welcome to the future of automotive design. This holographic projection of the Chiron allows us to examine every single component in ultra-realistic detail. First, we build the strongest chassis. Welcome back to the workshop. As you can see, the KUKA arms are hard at work on the Chiron frame. As you can see, the arms move with incredible precision, laying down perfect welds. This specialized process is essential for the Bugatti chassis.
The Chiron's chassis, a marvel of engineering, requires precision even here in the heart of the city.
Here it is, the completed blue frame of the Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece of engineering built right here in this workshop. Welcome back to the workshop. As you can see, the blue Bugatti is taking shape. The next step is calibrating the massive W16 engine. To handle the immense heat, these turbos feature advanced cooling systems. The precision required for installation is absolutely incredible. The key to the Chiron's design is the precise molding of the carbon fiber. These arms use localized heat cells. These aren't just any panels, they're for the Bugatti Chiron. The precision cutting by these robotic arms is as you can see, the team is meticulously fitting the final carbon panels. The synergy between this craftsmanship, feel this curve. The C-line isn't just beautiful, it's functional, guiding the air and the very soul of this machine. Feel this curve. The C-line isn't just beautiful, it's functional, guiding the air and the very soul of this machine. Meticulously crafted, this multi-link hinge ensures the massive door opens flawlessly. The tolerances here are measured in microns. Now we shape the iconic body. The craftsmanship on display here is unparalleled. Securing these bespoke leather seats into the Chiron, the attention to detail is incredible. From the exposed carbon fiber to the precise leather stitching, this truly is an automotive masterpiece. The attention to detail is incredible. From the exposed carbon fiber to the precise leather stitching, this truly is an automotive masterpiece. And now, watch as the digital heart of this Chiron comes alive for the very first time. As you can see, the gauge. Fitting a tire this advanced requires specialized tools and expertise. We're using a pneumatic tire changer to carefully mount the rubber onto the Chiron's rim. To handle the Chiron's power, we fit these carbon ceramic discs. The caliper equipped with 8 titanium pistons. Fitting a tire this advanced requires specialized tools and expertise. We're using a pneumatic tire changer to carefully mount the rubber onto the Chiron's rim. Luxury meets performance inside. The heart of the Chiron, this massive W16, is slowly being lowered into the chassis. This is the most critical part of the build. These are the final assembly steps. We ensure every bolt is torqued precisely before fitting the carbon fiber body panels, guaranteeing structural integrity. Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we finally reveal the culmination of our efforts, the magnificent Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron's lights aren't just for show. They undergo rigorous testing here, ensuring every LED performs flawlessly. This is the moment we've waited for. The sound of 1,500 horsepower coming alive. Everything comes together. And just like that, we're out. The vibrant chaos of the city awaits the Bugatti. Let's see what this machine can really do out here.